Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com. I'm testing Canadian building permits. I'm using a bracket of 4. Entry time of 8:29:57. It has not tested well. 2 contracts for 5 ticks, make it 4. 1 contract for 10 ticks. 10 tick stop. Let's do a 9 tick. Let's do a 10 tick stop. Target move to break even -2 if it fills me on my first target. Not using real money because, as I said, this report has no history of making money. Canadian building permits. Let's see if it does anything. Let me double check that bracket. Using a bracket of 4. Okay. I'd use 4 or 5. Canada's only $6. It's only $5 a tick. So we've got a minute, almost a minute and a half to go. You do have a very strong magnet on the chart. It definitely looks short. Doesn't necessarily mean the report's going to be short though. Just because it looks that way. That's not always what happens. In fact, often reports do the opposite of what the chart looks like. But it looks like it wants to test the low of the day and the PP and then reverse. That's very often what happens with a chart that looks like that. It's not very many ticks away. And nor is the PP. It probably wouldn't even barely hit our first target. You hear my Squawk Box in the background talking Forex. Excellent Squawk Box. Highly recommended. Very fairly priced. So we have 15 seconds. Canada building permits, they're expecting 2%. Previous was down 7%. So they're certainly looking for a little improvement. The Canadian dollar
Order pending.
was a little bit volatile before the report. Give it 10 seconds or I'd cancel. So I would cancel this report right now. I'm going to let it go, but this is officially a canceled report. 4 ticks couldn't even fill it. 3 would have on the bracket.
Order pending.
Seems like the news was a little bit late because the Squawk Box did not get it. They got it late, and it was a big improvement. So we should see the first target at least get hit. So it might be that, you could have waited 20-25 seconds for a report that moves this poorly in general. But the truth is, do you want to be in a report that fills you and then just sits like this is doing, even with a good offset? In other words, you have a nice difference between the forecast and the actual number, yet the index is barely moving. That's the kind of report you really want to avoid because that's a report that is very, very hard to make money on. We would have canceled it. I really would have waited 10 seconds only because it's a data report. And most data reports, if they don't fill you quick, they're not going to fill you. You got your pop in volume, you got your move in the index, and it just didn't do anything. So that's why Canadian building permits is a no trade for JOBB TNT, thenewstraders.com. Lee Goldstein, I'll see you in the trade room.